Good morning, my dear students. Let us lesson number 4, angles and pairs of angles. In previous video, we have seen supplementary angles and its examples. Now let us see practice set 17. Let us see question number 1. Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. So let us see first example, that is 15 degree. We have to find its supplementary angle. So we have to consider supplementary angle BX degree. But we know that the definition of supplementary angles, addition of two angles is 180 degree. Therefore x plus 15 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now x degree is equal to, after shifting this 15 to right hand side, 180 minus 15 degree. Now we have to do subtraction, 180 minus 15. So 5 cannot subtract it from 0, then go to next number 8 and take borrow. So here 7 and here 10. 10 minus 5, that is 5. 7 minus 1, that is 6. And 165 degree. So here x is equal to 165 degree. Therefore supplementary angle of this 15 degree, that is 165 degree. Now let us see third example, 120 degree. We have to find its supplementary angle. So consider supplementary angle BX degree. Therefore, according to the definition of supplementary angle, addition of two angles is 180 degree. Therefore, x degree plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x degree is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 0 minus 0, 8 minus 2, that is 6, and 1 minus 1, that is 0. So 60 degree. So here x is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, measure of the supplements of the angle 120, that is 60 degree, or we can write supplementary angle of 120 degree, that is 60 degree. Now let us see next example number 6, that is 0 degree. We have to find its supplementary angle. So consider supplementary angle BX degree. Therefore addition of these two angles is 180 degree. Therefore x degree plus 0 degree is equal to 180 degree, and therefore x is equal to 180 minus 0, that is 180 degree. Therefore measure of the supplement of the angle 0 degree, that is 180 degree, or supplementary angle, that is x is equal to 180 degree. Now let us see number 7, a degree. We have to find its supplementary angle. So supplementary angle BX degree, x degree. Now addition of these two angles is 180 degree. Therefore x degree plus a degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x degree is equal to, after shifting this value to right hand side, that is 180 minus a degree, and therefore measure of the supplement of the angle a degree, that is 180 minus a degree. Therefore we can write supplementary angle, that is x is equal to 180 minus a degree. Now in this way we can find supplementary angle of the given angle. Now let us see question number 2. The measures of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. So here 8 angles are given. Measure of angle B is equal to 60 degree. Measure of angle N is equal to 30 degree. Measure of angle Y is equal to 90 degree. Measure of angle J is equal to 150 degree. Measure of angle D is equal to 75 degree. Measure of angle E is equal to 0 degree. Measure of angle F is equal to 15 degree, and measure of angle G is equal to 120 degree. So first we have to find pairs of complementary angles. So complementary angles means addition of two angles is 90 degree. So first pair, see measure of angle B plus measure of angle N, that is 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. So first pair we got measure of angle B and measure of angle N, or angle B and N. Now second pair, E and Y, addition of these two angle is 90 degree. So measure of angle Y plus measure of angle E, that is 90 plus 0, that is 90 degree. So here we got another pair, angle Y and angle E. Next, measure of angle D and measure of angle F, their addition is 90 degree. So third pair, measure of angle D plus measure of angle F, that is 75 plus 15 degree, that is 90 degree. So third pair of complementary angle, angle D and angle F. Similarly, we can find pairs of supplementary angles. That is angle B and angle G, 60 plus 120, that is 80 degree. So first pair, measure of angle B and measure of angle G. So angle B and G, their addition is 180 degree. Now similarly we can find another pair here, angle N and angle J. So measure of angle N is given 30 degree and measure of angle J is given 150. So 150 plus 30, that is 180 degree. So angle N and angle J, their addition is 180 degree. So these are the pairs of supplementary angles. Now let us see next examples from practice set 17 in next video. And don't forget to write these examples in your notebook. Bye. Take care.